Welcome back, Island of KBR. We miss you guys. We're back for another cooking video, part 2 with Chef Pelican Claude. Let's get into what we're doing today. Today, Chef Pelican Claude is going to be cooking us another red crimson snapper, but with a different recipe that'll bring out more flavors within the fish. Let me tell you how he does it. First, what he doesn't use the salt-based recipe. He uses a boiling method that extracts the extra flavors within the fish to make them more thicker and more tasty once you eat them. Our chef is a great chef and we are a cooking family. Stay tuned. Thank you guys.
Good afternoon. Today we are presenting another day of the Pelican Chef's cooking. We are today going to China. We're going to China. We're cooking one of the best Chinese dishes of ginger with steamed shallots that you will ever see. Magnifique. Let's go. So, in order to get this, I've already prepared a little bit of it so you can understand what I'm doing. What we're going to do, we're going to spread it like, and then open it up, upside down, so we can be able to fillet every single little corner. And hold on, we got the most important recipe. Champagne. Now, we cut it slice by slice so we are able to openly fillet this fish bit by bit.
And aren't you doing it different today?
Today we're doing a bit of a steamed fish. Previously, we did it more of a European style. So this time, where are we going? China. We're going to China because this is how they cook fish in China, because they love their steamed fish. They love it. And so do we. Chinese love it, you're gonna love it. And if you're gonna love it, I'm gonna love it, you're gonna love it too. So, let's keep filleting this fish the way that they do it. So now we're gonna openly fillet it, so when it comes time to actually steam the fish, because that's what we're doing, we're steaming the fish today, you will see that it will get into every single nook and cranny. We turn on the oven, or the gas, whatever. We get a little bit of an elevated steamer. We get our fish and we put it on top of the plate. Once we get it on top of the plate, we put it in the actual steamer itself.
Is this more of like a simple way than last time?
A lot more of a simple, nothing too complicated, and a lot quicker. Because we've actually cut the sides of the fish, it's allowing the steam to generate inside this fish a lot more quicker. So let's get the water boiling and we'll come back to when it comes to put the lid on. Do you think it's gonna be like that? No.
No.
Mad, huh? Wait till you fucking taste it.
So obviously our chef today has kind of cooked this fish in a Chinese style. Usually the Europeans have a different type of style they cook the red crimson fish, but we're doing it Chinese way because there's always a different way of doing it in each different country. So we think Chinese is one of the best ways to do it. So that's what we've tried today. We're gonna let this boil and we're gonna start cooking the sauce, the ingredients now, and we'll get back to you then.
So people, the next part of this whole recipe is in getting preparation for what we are going to do in regards to getting the sauce ready. So how are we going to get the sauce ready? We take, follow me, come here, come here. Ginger. Ginger. Then we strip down the aromatics and the peppers, as they say them in America, peppers. Then we do garlic. Don't know about that one? We keep going. Ginger. And the shallots. Use all of these. Okay. Preparation is the meaning of life. So, what we're going to do is sesame oil, a couple of drops because it's very poignant, very strong. Rice wine vinegar. Our special Chinese sauce for fish. We get our product and we put it in for cooking. Follow me. Why are you not following me? Follow me this way, this way. Come here, come here. As we prepare our fish sauce, we cover the... Cover the fish. Steam. 10 minutes. While we're cooking our sauce here.
Sauce. And then 10 minutes steam.
10 minutes steam. In the meantime, we've got our rest of our recipe that we're going to put on top after we finish slicing it in very small strips. Some cracked pepper. And Bob's your uncle. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's come time for the piece de résistance. The fish has been steamed. The reason that we steam the fish is that we retain all its own juices. So there's no issues in regards to any... What we do now, sorry about that. What we do now is we take off the fish and we transport it to the other side and pour. What are you doing there? Pour the rest of it.
Doesn't even look like a fish anymore.
Couple of chilies. Bob's your uncle. There you are. Steamed Chinese fish without the mustache.
That looks crazy good.
Enjoy.
That's insane. So that's usually Chinese.
Full Chinese style steamed fish with ginger, shallots, chilies.
Alright guys, taste test. Let's do it. Okay. Can I go from here? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, that's way better. I like this one better than the other one. Last time for sure. This is way better. Insane. Billy, say hi to KBR, Billy.
What's up? I was just upstairs just studying.
That's cooked. That's actually really good.
Cooked to perfection.
Yeah, but I was talking about a different cooked. Like it's cooked good. It's got some serious flavour, I swear. I'll cook it.
What? That's crazy. I reckon this fish is better than the last one.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Even though I didn't know how you,
You know what it is?
how you cooked it.
It's more thick. The actual fish is more thick and it doesn't fall off the bone as much, but it's better like that because you can actually taste it more. Well,
Yeah.
it's more compacted, but it's better.
Yeah, that's actually crazy.
I'll show you a taste test too.
Guys, I'd just like to thank everybody for checking out the cooking side of the channel. Without them, I'd be nothing and I'd be no chef. But they catch it and I cook it. So enjoy.
Thanks for watching, guys.
See you in the next video.
What up, KBR? Thank you for another cooking video. That's 2 cooking videos down packed with Chef Pelican Claude. Guys, give a big shout out to the chef. He loves cooking for you guys. He absolutely loves seeing you guys love what he does because he is one of the best chefs I've ever met, and he's my dad. So he is our chef for the KBR channel. He just walked in on that. So yeah, definitely stay posted. We'll be trying to post once a week, and we'll do our best to keep you guys happy. So it may be a fishing video next, who knows, but that's the beauty of our channel. So peace out, KBR.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say, Billy?
And thanks for Water Guy for shouting us out.
Oh yeah,
From
big
before.
water guy. Thanks for the shout out. We really appreciate it. Hopefully we can be like you one day, but we're still young, so
Yeah.
got a bit of time on you.
Yeah.
So yeah, no worries. Thanks
That's it.
guys for watching.
Thanks,
See you in the
KBR.
next one.